Ulit pa.
Let's give a round of applause. Palakpakan po niya.
You come around here. I was found here. You come around here.
Thank you. Boss, good luck.
Good night, matutulog.
Good night, sir. Sige po. Wala na pong tulugan.
Anggot mama na.
The main purpose of which is bako lang mag-enjoy kami sa pagmumotor may kundi i-showcase me po sa bilog ng Camarines Sur ang mga potential na destination sa Banwaan ng San Jose, being it as a heritage site. So, dahil may magigibo na yung sa simpleng advertisement lang, pero hindi kayong ginigibo tayo, real experience na hiling mo talaga, time in motion, na feel mo, so experience kan mga tao. Lalong-lalo po na mga participants sa digdi, mga amigo ta, mga hali man sa ibang lugar. Roughly, we are 300 here, contingents. So those 300 people will tell their families, their friends na so experiencing about what happened in Motor Rally de San Jose. So I think it's the best tool to advertise and promote our own town.
Ginawa to ni Mayor Gerald Peña because of leadership and our principle, three principles: leadership, friendship, and service.